you fry papad in air fryer? How long do I cook in the air fryer? Can I cook papadums in air fryer? How do you fry small papad in air fryer? How to prevent papad from burning in air fryer? How to cook in an air fryer? These are some of the questions that I have been getting of late. Hello friends, Ravneet Bhalla welcomes you back to her channel. So today I present to you another recipe to show how do you fry small papad in air fryer or fingers in air fryer. So a lady visited us from Berhampur. Since we are 100 kilometers away from them, ladies from in different parts of Orissa visit villages by foot and to sell their commodities. So we decided to buy papads since in Orissa people eat a lot of papadums. Place the papads in an air fryer basket, cover them with a mesh or sifter or strainer like this. Make sure you cover your papads, otherwise they will fly and they might catch fire. So you don't want that to happen. Many people have been complaining of papads or garlic or lighter things frying in air fryer. So this is my trick to prevent all that from flying in an air fryer. All you need to do is air fry your papad at 180 degrees Celsius for 3 to 5 minutes. First, set the temperature for 3 minutes, check if done. If not, you may bake for 2 minutes more and then wait for the magic to happen. Enjoy these beautifully colored papads that have fried beautifully and taste so yum. They are crispy to the core and you are almost going to fall in love with these beauties that come with a slight health factor since these are not deep fried. So they are a little less on trans fats and saturated fat as well. I hope you enjoyed this process to fry papad in air fryer. If you do, please hit the like button, and if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, don't forget to do so because I post a lot of healthy recipes and of course you will find air fryer recipes too. Take care, bye bye, see you soon.